Okay, so let's take a look at this part, okay? So first of all, I think everybody is very familiar with doing the algebra, right? But the thing is, when you are learning with algebra and decimal together, some people starting to be panic. Okay, Lucas, I have seen that you making mistakes on those questions. It looks very easy. 你在看哪里？那你在
Not
你不看我的吗？你是不是觉得我现在不好看了？哎，我问一下大家，你们觉得老师戴眼镜好看还是不戴眼镜好看？Emma，OK，
戴眼镜 look smarter.
戴眼镜 look smarter。那不戴眼镜呢？啊，不戴眼镜看起来笨笨的。Lucas，how about you？
same thing.
啊，Lucas，你以前见到我几年前的样子和现在有一段时间没见老师了，觉得老师变老了吗
I don't remember how you look like.
？You broke my heart。这个人没有心的，You're heartless。You have no heart。I Pierre，how about you? You think I look better with glass or without glasses?
I don't see any point I don't see any difference of
Okay.
you wearing glasses and you not wearing glasses.
How about you, Lilac?
They both look good.
Okay. 女生还是有情商的，男生都没有情商。Okay, so let's take a look at this one. When you have decimals, okay, 好，我跟你们说一下，Lucas 和Daniel，你们总有一天要谈女朋友的，对不对？如果女生问你，我戴眼镜好看还是不戴眼镜好看？Both Emma and Lilac 的 answers very good. OK, Lilac 说你戴眼镜不戴眼镜都好看，可以的，对不对？OK, Emma 说戴
Yeah,
眼镜
but you're
看
not
起来
my
更
girlfriend.
聪干嘛呀？你们以后，我跟你讲，你们以后不学啊，以后不学，以后到时候有了女朋友，看你们怎么办啊？OK，随便你们。
Or you
OK，OK，
just tell the truth.
so let's take a look at this one. So 0.2 and 5. Lucas, I want you to times 10 for both left side and left side. Take a look, okay, Emma? So
Why?
0.2 times 10 equals 2x minus 1. So 5 times 10 equals 50. So the whole number makes everything easier to be calculated and hard to make mistakes. So both left side and right side divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2 equals nothing, and 50 divided by 2 equals 25. So x equals 25 plus 1 equals 26. Get it, Lucas? Get it?
Yeah.
Up here, okay? So let's take a look at next one. So 0.02. So let's do this one, okay? This one's harder because you have the negative. So how I can do it? I'm going to do times 100, negative 100 for both left side and right side. Okay, so this one equals 2 times 2x minus 3 equals negative 1.3 times 100 equals negative 130. Okay, so divided by 2. So 2x minus 3 equals negative 65. Okay, so 2x equals negative 62 because it's plus 3 and plus 3. Get it? So x equals negative 31. Get it? Okay, so if you get it, all of you do C and F yourself. Emma, for this one, it's a little bit hard, right? So we need to times them out, or you can do what? You can, 这道题我再教你们一下吧，好吧? Number E. How about you, everybody, you do C and B first. B and C. B and C first. Lucas, 做对啊，不要再做错了啊, B and C.
Why not? Which ones? Which question?
Number B and number C.
B. Where's B?
Number B 在这里，Number C 在这
You
里。
X'd it out. Okay.
Okay, so first of all, you're doing what? Times 10 for both left side and right side, 20x minus y times 5 equals 5, right? So x minus 1 equals 0.25. So x equals 1.2. Correct? Okay, this one times 100, so 2x minus 1 equals negative 120. So x minus y equals negative 60. So x equals negative 51. Okay, boys and girls, let's take a look at number E. Okay, number E is a harder one. So let's take a look at this
51 or 59?
59. 我就知道
嗯
你做错了呀。
You said 51, okay? I
59.
got 59.
哦，真的吗？OK，好吧。
Which one are we doing?
Number E, okay? So let's take a look at number E. For these ones, I need to times 100 for 1, 2, 3, 3 terms. Get it up here? So it's 330y plus 35, 50 minus y equals 1,600. Okay, you time them out. Equals 30y plus 1,750 minus 35y equals 1600. Okay, so this one is negative 5y equals negative 150. So y equals 30. Get it? Get it, Emma? Okay, so number F yourself. Okay, do yourself. 这个做完我们就 move on 了啊，要去Lucas 学的最烂的不等式了啊。OK，你不要笑嘻嘻的。然后这个时候老师要上个厕所
Which
了。
one? I'm not
Number
left.
F. Number F.
I'm kind of blind. I couldn't see properly. That's why. I got it.
I need to,我回来了, okay? So everybody, for this question, I'm going to times 100 for both left side and right side. So times 100, okay? So it's 5y plus 10, 200 minus y equals 45y. Lucas, 一定要按照老师这样做啊. So that with this process, you're not going to make any mistakes. 而且你的老师也不能扣你任何分. Understand? Equals 45y. So I know you can understand, you do almost everything right. 但是只要一点点错，他就不给你满分了，对不对? So now we're doing like I want the perfect score. So 2000 equals 50y. So y equals 40. Get it, everybody? Emma, you got it? Okay, good job. Okay, so everybody, let's move forward, okay? So let's just take a look at number 7 and number 8. There were problems. So I want, Emma, could you help me to read the question for me? The first one, number 7.
If the quotient of a number and 4 is added to twice the number, the result is 5 less than the number. Find the number.
Okay, so first of all, we name number equals to x, okay? So now make the equation and find out the answer. So everybody, when you send me the answer, I want to see the equation first. Okay, answer is not good enough. I want to see the equation. Lucas, 你把式子写出来了吗?
No.
Let's take a look at this one, okay? The quotient of a number and a 4, what does it mean? Number divided by 4, that's the quotient of a number and 4. Is added to twice the number. Twice the number 是什么, Lucas?
Twice the quotient.
是
Well, I mean, twice of x. 2x.
2x. Very good. The result, the whole thing, is 5 less than the number. So what is 5 less than the number? X minus 5. Get it? Just using one sentence by sentence. Okay, so everybody, with this one, I think everybody, you can solve the problem, right? So left side and right side times 4. So x plus 8x equals 4x minus 20. So 9x equals 4x minus 20. So 5x equals 20. X equals 4. Negative 4? Negative 4, sorry. Okay, get it? 非常容易错的是这里一个 negative 错了，对不对？老师刚才也差点错了，so x equals negative 4. So Emma, when we find out the answer, how we find out it's right or not? Put it back. Negative 4 over 4 plus negative 8 equals negative 4 minus 5. Okay, so the answer is negative 9 equals negative 9. So you get it right. Got it, everybody? Okay, so number 8. Joe has 20 coins. Consists of nickel, nickels and dimes total $1.40. And total of $1.40. How many nickels does Joe have? Let the number of nickels be n and the number of dimes be 20 minus n. So you know the n is the number we need to find out. Okay, try to do this one.
How many is a nickel and dime?
Hmm?
How many is a nickel and dime?
啊，你不知道啊？Emma 告诉他 nickel 是多少钱？
I forgot.
Nickel is 5 cents.
And dime is
Dime is 10 cents.
very good. Okay, so let's see. How many nickels does Joe have? Altogether, she has 20, right? So a nickel is n, dime is 20 minus n. So 20 minus n times 10, or you say 0.1, and plus 0.05 n, plus together should equals $1.40. Correct, everybody? Okay, so this one, we're not spending any more time doing that, okay? Because it's pretty easy. So let's take a look at inequality law. Okay, so everybody, please write on the thing is very easy. When A is equals to B, we write it A equals to B. When A is smaller than B, we write it A smaller than B and A bigger than B, like that, okay? So let's take a look at the symbol. Not equals to, less than, greater than, less than, or equals to, or greater than, or equals to. Okay, so everybody, I want you to take a look at this one, okay? When you have the thing is X is bigger than 2, Lucas, this 2 is a hollow circle. Emma, Lilac, and Daniel, take a look, okay? It's a hollow circle. Why? Because X is not equals to 2. When X bigger or equals to 2, this is a solid circle. Why? Because this point can be included. Understand, Emma? This is very important, okay? 当 x 不等于2的时候，这里是个空心的圆。当 x 等于2的时候，是大于等于的时候，是一个实心的圆。So when I talk about the line timeline or number line, Emma learned it with me, right? When you're a little baby, right? You learn it. When you are going from left side to right side, you're getting everything bigger, correct? So that's why when you see an arrow is from left side to right side, it's bigger than. When you are having an arrow is from right to left, that means getting smaller. So that is smaller than. Understand, everybody? Get it, Lilac? 千万不要搞反了啊。那如果我们有 x is bigger than 1 and smaller than 3, how do we do it? Smaller than 2, we do. So it's bigger than 1 and smaller than 2. And both of them will be hollow. It's bigger or equals to 1, smaller or equals to 2. It's like that. 它是个闭环. Okay, when you have is bigger than 2, that means it's unlimited because x is bigger or equals to 2. X could equals what? 2, 2.1, 2.01, 300, 3000. So it's an unlimited idea. Okay, 好，那我们来看一看这个。At most, we need to understand those ones, okay? At most. So let me stop these ones. So everybody, at most 3 students will not pass the test. What does it mean, Lucas? At most 3 students will not pass the test. 最多有3个小朋友不会 pass. So x is smaller than 3. Get it, everybody? X is smaller than 3. Get it, Emma? Okay, we need to understand those sentences, okay? Sue is at least 5 years old. So everybody, Sue is bigger. At least, what does it mean? Bigger or equals to 5. Get it, everybody? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 每一个人做一个啊，我过会儿叫你们。 You must not exceed 30 kilometers per hour in school zone. Okay, Emma, could you please tell me? Must not exceed.
X is smaller than 30.
X is smaller or equals to 30. Get it? Exceed, not over. So you could you can equals this as well. Understand? Okay, so Lucas, you must exceed sales of 80. You must exceed sales of 80. Lucas, I cannot hear you. You mute yourself.
Sorry. X is bigger than 80 or equal to.
Very good. You know, cannot equal. You must exceed. 必须超过. Understand?
Oh.
Because so you must be bigger than 80. That is the right thing. Get it? 对不对？我就跟你说，你很多小地方。Okay. So number 3, Kate weighs less than 25 pounds. I here.
Sorry, my microphone wasn't working. It's
Yeah.
the K one, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's X is smaller than 25.
Very
That
good.
thing.
Weights X smaller than 25. Very good. Less than. Okay, last but not least, Lilac. Ellie weighs more than 30 pounds.
X is lesser than 30.
Weights more than. Weights more than.
The um uh the line under it.
No, weights more than. 什么叫 weights more than?
X is more
Is
than 30.
bigger than 30. Get it? 大于30啊，不是小于30，对不对？ More than. Understand? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so this part is very useful. Okay, so let's see. 这个我们不看了，我们就只看几道题。Number F, number F, number H, number J, and number G. G, F, H, J. 每个小朋友过会我会叫你们名字的，OK？ Okay, everybody, I want to call Emma. First question. Negative 1 over 3 is bigger than negative 1 over 4. Is it right or not?
No.
It's not right because negative 1 over 3 is smaller than negative 1 over 4. 1 over 3 is bigger than 1 over 4. But when you put a negative, everything is going to be changed. Very good. This is false. Next one, Lucas. Negative 0.3 is smaller than negative 1 over 3. Is it right or not? Lucas?
No.
It is not right because 0.3 is smaller than 1 over 3, right? So that's why it should be the other way around. Good job, false. Okay, number J. Up here, negative pi is bigger than negative 1 over 3.
False.
Both? 又是 true
False.
又 false 吗？
Oh, no, like not true.
It's not true, right? Yes, it's not true because this one's actually smaller than this one. Okay, last but not least, but Lilac, 0.3 is smaller than 1.1 over 3.
True.
This is true. Very good. Okay, good job. Okay, 好，我们现在来看一下下面的。Okay, so let's take a look at this one. This one is very hard. So let me just do one by one. Okay, especially, let's do number 1. A number is at least a 3. Lilac, please tell me the equation. A number is at least a 3.
X is greater than 3.
So x is bigger or equals to 3. Okay, at least a 3. That means 3 is included as well. Understand? Okay, number 2. Number 2, Emma, a number is greater than or equals to a negative 4.
X is bigger or equal to -4.
Okay, very good. Okay, number 3. The book weighs less than 1 kilograms. Lucas.
X is smaller than 1 kg.
X is smaller than 1. That's enough. Okay, no 1 kg. At least 1,800, sorry, 18,000 attended the concert. I here.
X is bigger or equal to 18,000.
Bigger or equals to 18,000. Very good. Okay, number E. The cost of gas is less than 95 cents per liter. Lilac 又掉出去了 Emma.
Number E, right?
Yeah, number E.
Okay. X is less than 95.
X is less than 95. Very good. Okay, number F. Lucas. The temperature will top 25 degrees Celsius.
What does top mean? No, but like
Top,
top.
that means most. 最高25度.
Oh, X is smaller or equal to 25.
Smaller or equals to 25. Get it? smaller or equals to 25. Okay, so next one. The baby's body temperature were not exceeding 100 Celsius. Lilac.
X uh X is lesser than 100 Celsius. 100.
Very good, very good. Okay, I Pierre, the cost is at most 20.
X is smaller or equal to 20.
Very good. You must not gain more than 2 kilograms, Lucas.
X smaller than 2.
More than, gain more than, not more than 2. Can we do equals to? 不能被2多，能不
哦
能是2？ Smaller
Mm.
or equals to 2. Yeah, okay. You must be at least 1.6 meters tall. Emma,
You need X is bigger or equals to 1.6.
very good. Oh, sorry, bigger or equals to. Very good. Okay, Emma, good job. Understand everybody? 啊，这个有点非常要搞清楚的。Okay, these ones we're not going to, we just go couple one of them. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So B is bigger than half. So we need to find out half first, negative half first, okay? Because no equal, so I just do a hollow line, hollow circle. And now, bigger, 看到了吗? Bigger, always go from left to right. Get it, Daniel? Get it, Lucas? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. 好，这个是 half 2 and 1/3 is bigger than C. 首先把这个写过来。Okay, Emma, always change to the variable on this one, the left side, and number on the right side, okay? So smaller or equal. So first find out 2 and 1/3 here. And equal, so it's a solid circle, and smaller, like that. Get it? 因为如果你每次换来换去 ，Lucas 看好了，每次换来换去都会造成你这个方向搞错了。Get it, everybody? Okay, so we do number D and the number G yourself. 自己做一下 number D and number G yourself. Okay, so I think everybody, I'm going to just to tell you. So first of all, find a 3 solid number smaller than. Correct? Okay, so this one I want to do D is smaller than negative 10 over 3. So negative 3 over 10 over 3 is here. And it's a hollow one and smaller than. Get it? Remember, 非常非常重要. Variable on the left side and number on the right side. Daniel and Lilac, Emma, Lucas, 一定要记住哦，不然的话很容易错的，好不好? Okay, so let's take a look at the number 4, okay? Determine which of the given number are solution of the inequality. Okay, so let's first do this, okay? So x minus 4 is bigger or equals to 6. First, again, Emma, everything is still the same. Move negative 4 to the other side. X is bigger or equals to 6 plus 4. X is bigger or equals to 10. So that's why 10 and 15, both of them are the solution. Get it? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So number B, you should be able to do yourself, okay? Number B yourself, because number C, I'm going to explain it. Number B yourself.
Do I send you the answer?
Yes.
I never even look at them.
Okay, very good, because 2x smaller than 5, right? So x is smaller or equals to 2.5. So you're going to say 1, 2, 3. So -8, -6, and -5 are both, all of them are right answers, right? Okay, so now let's move forward to the number C. -2x is smaller than 4. Everybody, do you have problem doing this, Daniel? No problem. But both of the left side and right side are going to divide by -2. Lucas, take a look, okay? Both divided by -2. Emma, -2 divided by -2 equals x, right? 4 divided by -2 equals -2. No problem. But remember, this sign need to what? Switch. When you divide a negative number for both left side and right side, everybody, the inequality sign needs to change the direction. Remember, everybody? This is very important, okay? I hope you remember this. So x is bigger than -2, so it's 0 and 4 is the answer. Get it? Okay, number D, your turn. Number D, your turn. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Negative 3x is bigger than negative 6, correct? Lucas? Okay,
Yeah.
那现在好，现在好了，现在眼睛都看着老师，这样好。Okay, divided by negative 3 and divided by negative 3. So x is equals to 2, but is what? Smaller than 2. So the answer is negative 4 and 0. Emma 做对了吗？ Okay, so number E, everybody, number E, yourself.
Three x. 3x. 6. X. and 2. Is
Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? So last question, okay? Hmm. 哦，还有呢，还有时间，还有20多分钟，我要上课上啥？ So negative 2x, move it to over there, equals 3x, right? Lilac? So negative 2, move it there, equals 6. So 3x is bigger or equals to 6, x is bigger or equals to 2. So 2, 4, 6. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. When you look at this, write down the equation, okay? So for instance, this one, x is 这个 direction 肯定是小于，对不对？没有等于 okay, less than negative 2. Understand, Emma? Understand, Lucas? Okay, so B, C, D, your turn. Okay, first one, Lucas. 来换来换去的那个，告诉我 first one 等于什么？
Oh, I was muted, sorry.
Mhm.
X is bigger than or equal to negative 2, 1 over 2.
Very good, good job, Lucas. Number C, sorry, I Pierre.
E,
Mm-hmm. Number C, not
X.
E.
Oh, what?
Mhm.
Oh, that's a C. Okay. X is smaller or equal than 3 and 1/3.
Mm-hmm. X is smaller or equals to 3 and 1. Very good. Last one, number D, Emma.
X is bigger than 1/2.
X is bigger than 1.5. Very good. Good job. Good job. Okay, understand everybody? So the equality, the most important part is that you have to understand how to do that. Okay, so these are all easy. So let's just take a look at this one. So calculation, you should be no problem at all. Let's just take a look at 这个 negative 的 part， 这个地方比较容易出错。Number M, number N, number O, and number P. Okay, I'm going to number L for all of you. So T is bigger than 1/4 plus 1/3. So T is bigger than 7/12. So we find out 7/12 and like that. Okay, so M, N, O, P, you first need to find out N is bigger than what? Or P is bigger than smaller than what? And then do it on the number line, okay? Okay, everybody. So yeah. Okay, so let's take a look at the first one. Okay, Pierre, can you tell me? So first one, N equals what? Who? Daniel. Daniel, 你 muted 了。Daniel, I cannot hear you. 好，Lucas，你做第一题吧。
Okay. Which one's number one?
Number M.
Oh, so that's 0. No, you put something at 0 and you put
啊，没
it's
有啊，
like
把 -5 over there，对不对？
it's
So
like
-6n
-1.
plus 5n 跟 0没关系的，大于0，对不对？那 -n is bigger than 0, correct, Lucas? So
Um,
n is what?
I don't know.
N is smaller than 0. You divide by -1 for left side and right side, the sign need to be changed. Get it? So n is smaller than 0, so it's like that. Get it, Lucas? Get it, Emma?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I couldn't open my mic. Like,
Okay, 前面，那现在可以了吗？ Number N, can you
yeah,
do
I
number N?
can.
Yeah, number N.
Um,
Can you do number
This
N?
one, it's n is n is bigger than 0.
No. So -4n, you move this -3n over there, right? So -4n plus 3n, right? Is bigger than 0, correct? So
Yeah.
-4n plus 3n equals what? Equals -n is bigger than 0. So divided
Oh.
by -1 and -1 for both left side and right side is n is smaller than 0. Get it? 听好啊，Daniel，前面那题刚刚老师解释过，说明你刚才根本就没听，对不对？不是因为我们现在是网课，大家都可以手机连着别的东西，这儿放一个别的东西，这样不好，Daniel，好不好？如果你都会的，你都可以，但是不会啊，对不对？Emma number O。
P is bigger than 4.
Okay, P is first of all, remember, 我们怎么样？要把两个放在一起，对不对？首先，negative P is bigger than -4，看到没有？Emma，首先第一步老师说过了，Lucas 看好，一定要把variable 放在 left side and number on the right side. Okay, so divided by -1, divided by -1, so P is smaller than 4, so that is the answer. Get it? Okay, so next one, Lilac. 3 is smaller than -P.
3 is bigger than -p.
No, so -P is bigger than 3. So divided by -1, divided by -1. So P is smaller than -3. So it's like that. 啊，都没对，大家没有一个人对的，重新做一遍这个题目，非常容易错。OK，Lucas，你就是那个
In the
错的
back,
小
I'll
朋
get
友
it
呀。
correct.
对呀，你不
Huh?
行呀，你重新做一遍，每个小朋友都错了这个题目，重新做一遍。
Paying attention is okay.
嗯哼，啊，不是 OK 呀，你不行的呀，Lucas。 会了吗？不会的再问啊。这个题目如果再做错就不行了啊。艾玛会不会来？OK，会了，好好，下面看一下。Are the equality x is smaller than -5 and x is smaller than -6 equivalent or not? What does equivalent mean? That means they're equals or not. 这两个是一样的吗？好，我们来看一下。Y is smaller than -5 and y is smaller or equals to -6. 一样不一样？不一样。But if we say y equals to integer, 它是整数，哎，这两个就一样，明白吗，Emma、Lucas、Pierre and Lilac？这个很重要。如果 y 不是 integer，它们两个就不一样，懂不懂？Understood？你想想看啊，如果 y 是 integer，y 小于-5，那 y 是不是只能等于-6、-7、-8，对不对？如果 y 是 integer，那 y smaller than -5 and y equals or smaller than -6 is equals to each other。但如果 y 不是 integer，那 y 可以等于-5.5啊，y 可以等于-5.58呀，对不对？So they are not equals to。Lucas 有没有在听啊？
Yeah.
哦，那你懂不懂老师说的
Yes, I'm taking more notes.
？OK，乖的乖的啊，要好好 take notes。OK，小朋友们
No.
take notes。OK，诶，我是不是弄掉了？OK，now you take notes please。
Anyway, are we doing 6?
Yes。6 and
Oh.
6A and B，yeah。
You never told us.
啊，我刚才说了。
Yeah. All right.
Carrie,
嗯哼，
but number 8 there's no answer.
那你看看答案，那有可能就 no answer。对呀。
Oh, okay. Never mind.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. I move this one. There's no x, 0 is bigger than 2. Is it possible? So this one has no answer. Very good. And this one is 0 is smaller than 2. So also there's no answer. Understand, everybody? Okay, so not necessarily all the inequality has the answer. Sometimes they don't have the answer as well. Okay, so let's take a look at multiplication, okay? So when you times or divide the one thing, you need to remember everything needs to be changed the time. Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? Let's solving the number 5 because before one we have already learned. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. When you have the equation like that, Emma, you need to times them out first. Negative 3x minus 21 minus 5x bigger than 4x minus 9. Get it, everybody? So putting together equals negative 8x minus 21 bigger than 4x minus 9. Okay, move the variable into one side and number in the other side. So Lucas, when you have negative 21, you move it to the other side, it became positive 21. This is negative 21, not 21, okay? So negative 8x minus 4x bigger than negative 9 plus 21. So negative 12x is bigger than positive 12. Divided by negative 12, divided by negative 12. Lucas, this one became smaller than. So x is smaller than negative 1. Get it, Emma? I'm going to stop here, let you take notes and think about everything. Okay, so now everybody, let's take a look at number. I'm going to give you 4 questions, okay? So F, H, I, and J. These 4 questions, please take a look.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
For the x something 12, is it bigger than or smaller than?
Mm-hmm.
You fill it with that, right? Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look at this last questions, okay? So times 4, so it equals negative 3x is bigger than 36, right? Divided by negative 3 is x is smaller than negative 12, so smaller than. Next one, times 4, so negative 3x is bigger than negative 36, so x is smaller than 12. Bigger than negative, but it's negative, right? So negative x equals smaller than 12, so x is bigger than negative 12. Last but not least, negative x is smaller than negative 12, so x is bigger than positive 12. Get it, boys and girls? Okay, so this part is very easy to make mistakes. Emma, 对不对？是不是很容易出错的，对不对？ Okay, when you do it, make sure you understand everything carefully. Okay, so up here, Lilac, remember when you change the sign or divided by negative, you need to change the sign. That's the most important part. Get it, boys and girls? Okay, so that's it for today's class. We're gonna see each other next week. Okay? 哎，等一下 ，next week 是不是要过年了呀？Next week，next week 还不用过年。OK，2月6号还可以上课的。OK，that's it。2月5号，I'm sorry， 2月5号还可以上课。OK，so that's it for today's class. We're gonna see each other next week. OK，拜拜。